Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a payment method to your Amazon Associates account and receive your earnings. Step 1. Log into your Amazon Associate dashboard at affiliate-program.amazon.com. Step 2. From the top menu, go to Account Settings and then click Change Payment Method. Step 3. Select your preferred payment option. Options may include direct deposit, gift card, or check, depending on your country. Step 4. For direct deposit, enter your bank account details. This includes your account number, bank name, and routing number. Step 5. Save the settings and confirm any verification request if prompted. Step 6. Make sure that your earnings reach the minimum threshold, typically $10 or more for direct deposit. And once set up, you will automatically receive payouts based on your chosen payment method and monthly earnings. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.